severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., showers producing damaging winds were located along a line extending from Bensonhurst to near Sheepshead Bay, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Jamaica, Flatbush, Levittown, Freeport, Valley Stream, Long Beach, Coney Island, Garden City, Massapequa, Lynbrook, Mineola, Woodmere, Westbury, Rockaway Beach, and Farmingdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.